The opening bell has rung on Wall Street. Investors getting their first chance to react to last week's release of the March jobs report. At the open, the Dow is down more than 100 points. NASDAQ also down more than 100, and the S&P is down around 30. NewsNation business analyst and New York Post business reporter Lydia Moynihan joins us now. So, Lydia, construction spending for manufacturing hit a new record last year, $108 billion. Is Made in America officially making a comeback?
That seems to be the trend. Yeah, it's interesting. Not just did construction and production rise, a lot of that construction was devoted to building more manufacturing facilities, more plants. So I think that trend is going to only continue. This is a record. The last time we saw something that was even close to this amount of spending was 2015, and that was just 83 billion. So this is a dramatic change. Now, there's one factor that I think is really leading to all of this, and then a few implications I want to touch on as well. So during COVID, we saw a lot of supply chain issues, and that made people both in business and government realize we need to make sure that we have control over our own supply chain. So we saw the government start investing a lot of money with the CHIPS Act to start creating semiconductors, some electric vehicles, and bringing manufacturing back to the U.S. as much as they can. So that is a trend that I think we will continue to see. Now, few implications here. One, we are bringing more manufacturing jobs back to the U.S. The other thing that we're hearing is that people are able to get goods a lot more quickly, whether that's glasses or couches or whatever you have. There's a factory that's a state away. You're going to be able to get that much more quickly as opposed to ordering something that's created in China, a half a world away. The one thing to bear in mind with all of this manufacturing coming back to the U.S. is it can be a bit pricier. We should be paying people a fair wage, but that does mean that sometimes that cost is passed on to consumers. One glasses manufacturer who's interviewed said every pair of glasses they sell costs $3 more if they make it in the U.S. So good to bring business back home, but you can expect to see a little bit more cost to the goods we're buying that are created here.
All right. Great perspective and a great warning. Lydia, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.